You guys, welcome back. I'm wishing you all a happy new year. May this year be filled with lots of happiness, good health, and self-fulfillment. Today, I'm making Khao Kluk Kapi, shrimp paste rice with an assortment of colorful and flavorful toppings that makes for a balanced bite. Let's get started. Let's work on toppings. Yardlong beans for a nice vegetal crunch. Green mango for a refreshing sourness. Cucumber for a crispy, cooling bite. Shallots for an acidic crisp, and chilies for that addicting heat. There are also a few toppings that need to be heated or cooked. Let's work on some egg strips. Mix well. Using a non-stick surface on low heat, in some oil, and spread a thin layer of egg. After a couple minutes, the eggs will firm up a bit. Gently flip it and let it cook for another minute. Once they cool down, roll them up gently and slice into strips like this. Inggo some water on medium-low heat. These are the Chinese sausages, sliced on a bias, and in they go. The water will heat them up and buy them time to render out their oils and fry within their own oil. They are sweet and savory. Fry until they develop some color. Using the oil from the Chinese sausages, in goes dried shrimp. They don't take long to toast up and will add a chewy umami bite. Let's prepare the candied pork topping. We'll need an aromatic paste, and to make that, let's smash up some black peppercorns, cilantro stems, and garlic. I'm using fatty cuts of pork shoulder, but you can also use pork belly if you like. On medium heat, in goes oil. The aromatic paste we smashed up. Shallots, these are a separate amount from the shallots I showed you earlier. Smells so fragrant. In goes the palm sugar. Let's melt this. Once the palm sugar starts to bubble like this, add in a few splashes of water. And in goes the pork. Season with dark soy sauce and light soy sauce. On medium-low heat, cook the pork until the sauce thickens around the pork, deepens in color, and there is no more liquid. Candied pork should be very sweet with a hint of saltiness to bring out the flavors of the palm sugar. Let's begin by smashing up some garlic. This is shrimp paste, the star of this dish. Stinky, funky, but so delicious and packed with umami flavors. Let's thin this shrimp paste out with a splash of water. Use day-old cooked jasmine rice because it's a bit drier and better for stir-frying and absorbing flavors. On medium heat, in goes some oil, the garlic, stir-fry until fragrant and it develops some golden color. Fry the shrimp paste with the garlic for a minute to toast it up and allow the flavors to bloom. I recommend opening all of your windows or cooking this outside because the shrimp paste will stink up your home. In goes the day-old cooked jasmine rice. Coat the rice well for a few minutes until it's evenly combined with the shrimp paste. The rice will be salty on its own, but incredibly delicious once it's mixed in with all of the toppings. To serve, grab a small bowl and pack some of the shrimp paste rice into it. Gently flip it onto a serving plate and you'll have a nice mound to work around. Add all of your toppings around the mound of shrimp paste rice for a beautiful presentation. Add a wedge of lime and garnish with fragrant fried dried chilies. You got the veggies, the sweet, salty, sour, the chew, the crunch, the cooling, umami, and acidity all packed in here. When you're ready to eat, just mix it all up and enjoy. May this new year be colorful and balanced, just like this dish. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.